Every bamboo forest is a living ecosystem, growing rapidly without the need for replanting.
Before any bamboo is harvested, experience matters. Skilled craftsmen walk through the forest with patience. Selecting the right bamboo is one of the most important steps in the entire process. Only mature stalks with the ideal strength, thickness, and flexibility are chosen. Every harvest begins with precision rather than speed. Skilled craftsmen make a careful angled cut that bringing down a giant bamboo stalk is a carefully coordinated task. Every movement is controlled to protect both the material. Before the bamboo leaves the forest, every stalk is carefully measured and divided into manageable sections. After leaving the forest, the freshly harvested bamboo arrives at the workshop, where generations of craftsmanship come to light. Every bamboo pole is carefully inspected before processing begins. Craftsmen examine the natural grain. Splitting bamboo is a skill that demands patience and precision. Rather than forcing the material, experienced craftsmen allow its natural grain to guide the split. Each bamboo strip is carefully separated by hand with remarkable precision. The goal is to create long fendants. Before bamboo can be shaped into elegant forms, it must first become flexible. Soaking allows moisture to slowly penetrate. Steam transforms bamboo in a remarkable way. Gentle heat softens the natural fibers, allowing each strip to bend smoothly without cracking.
One carefully shaped piece alone cannot create something extraordinary. By joining curved bamboo rings with
Warmed by steam, the bamboo becomes remarkably flexible while keeping its natural strength. Weaving is where craftsmanship truly comes alive. One strip at a time, skilled hands follow a precise over and under.
As the weaving grows, strength and beauty become one, transforming simple bamboo into a remarkable handcrafted masterpiece.
After hundreds of carefully placed bamboo strips, the weaving is finally complete. Every strand supports the next. The final finishing process brings the bamboo to life. Careful sanding creates a silky smooth surface, while the story of bamboo does not end with a single creation. Using the very same material, skilled artisans begin crafting something. Precision matters in every detail. Ultra-thin bamboo strips are carefully woven into a refined geometric pattern. Great craftsmanship is not only about strength, it is also about balance and elegance. Carefully shaped bamboo, paired with rich natural finishes and thoughtful design. Thick bamboo may seem too rigid to shape, but controlled heat and generations of experience reveal its hidden.
One bamboo stalk can become far more than a single creation. Inside this workshop, skilled artisans.
Bamboo is no longer just a traditional material. Through thoughtful craftsmanship and contemporary design,
the colors are coming to life. Each piece fits perfectly. The wax highlights the grain, a timeless design.
Great craftsmanship is not only about strength, it is also about balance and elegance. Carefully shaped minimalist design often hides remarkable engineering. Hidden supports, perfectly laminated bamboo.
Through thoughtful craftsmanship and contemporary design, bamboo becomes elegant furniture that blends natural warmth with
Every handcrafted piece is carefully inspected before leaving the workshop. From the smoothness of each surface to the strength of.
From a simple bamboo forest to a warm and welcoming home, every creation carries the story of nature.
Thank you for watching Industrial Secrets. If you enjoyed this incredible journey, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications.